Remove brassy yellow tones. Ideal for blonde and gray hair, eliminates brassy and yellow tones. Outstanding purple powers. The shampoo conditioner make hair brighter, vibrant blonde and silver tones. Repair protect. While bringing you superior hair color, purple shampoo clean and repair your damaged hair. The moisturizing purple conditioner helps to maintain long-lasting color-treated hair. The shampoo and conditioner combo infused with cocos nucifera oil help repair damaged hair follicles, encourage your hair healthy. pH balance. Shampoo pH 5.5 to 6.5, conditioner pH 4.5 to 5.5. Keep your scalp's pH at a healthy level, and that's why Herbalosophy Color Perfecting Purple Shampoo Conditioner can make your hair soft and shine. Color-safe formula. Salon-quality shampoo conditioner, free of sulfate, parabens and gluten, safe for blonde and gray hair. Satisfaction guaranteed. We offer a 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Try it risk-free with no questions asked and top customer service. We care for you as much as we care for our family's work to provide the best quality products we can. Professional for blonde-gray hair. Ideal for blonde and gray hair, eliminates brassy and yellow tones. Outstanding purple powers. The shampoo conditioner make hair brighter, vibrant blonde and silver tones. Made with natural ingredients, free of harmful chemicals, and perform above and beyond professionals' expectations. Eliminates brassy yellow tones. Professionally used for blonde-gray hair. Brighten and refresh hair color. Protect damaged hair and scalp. Sulfate, paraben, gluten-free. Top reviews from the United States. No hair in my drain. I love it. No more hair loss for me. My shower drain was filled with hair every day. Not anymore. This product has no sulfates, so lathering is a lot less, but it works amazing.